One of Diddy's attorneys just called the prosecution a, quote, six-pack of white women, and the judge wasn't having it. And that is just one of the wild moments from day 3 of the Diddy trial. Now, this is going to continue to get messier, but the good news is that they reached their goal of locking in 45 potential jurors from the original, apparently 600 that they started with. Now, from these 45, they're going to whittle it down to 12 jurors with 6 alternates, 18 people total. Now, they plan to get this knocked out on Friday, and once they do, opening arguments will start on Monday, and the trial will really be getting underway. And before I go further, if this is one of those trials that you want to stay up to date on, make sure to hit that follow button. Now let's get into the jury selection from today. Apparently, one woman had already seen the Cassie video, but said that she could remain objective, so she was allowed to stay. Another woman said that she worked for the company that released the HBO doc, The Fall of Diddy, and so she was dismissed. Now, Mark Garagos was pulled aside by the judge for his comments that he made on his podcast, Two Angry Men, talking about his prosecution being a six-pack of white women. And the judge informed him that he will be listening to the podcast here now to make sure he doesn't make any more disparaging statements, and he expects more from an officer of the court. And Mark Garagos basically responded saying, well, that's fine as long as you subscribe. Now, the other thing that you need to know is that the judge granted Diddy the ability to wear street clothes as opposed to the prison jumpsuit, and he granted him 5 button-down shirts, 5 sweaters, 5 pairs of pants, socks, and then 2 pairs of loafers. They cannot have shoelaces. Now, if you guys have questions about this and want me to respond to them, drop some of them in the comments, and I might pick some and do some video responses too. But make sure to hit that follow button, as I said earlier, to stay on top of all of this.